Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Deborah. I'm so glad that you're here with me. I am a holistic health coach. I'm also a plant-based chef. And as always, this channel is dedicated to sharing simple, healthy, delicious, plant-based recipes that you can easily make at home, that won't cost a lot of money, but that will give you that nutrient-dense fuel that your body is craving. It is spring. This is the middle of April when I'm filming this. And so we are just a few months away from summer. And as you probably know, looking and feeling your absolute best when you are out there in the summer months, when you peel off some layers and you're getting sun on your skin, there's no magic bullet to feeling healthy and like you've shed a few winter layers. It happens from within. So sure, you can exercise, and you should, and drink a lot of water and get good sleep, and there's a lot of ways to have a balanced, healthy life. But what we eat is such an important part of it. So if you want to be looking and feeling your best when the summer months kick in, start now by incorporating more plants into your diet. So today we're gonna be making a beet green smoothie. What? That is crazy. Beet green smoothie? I mean, I just literally came up with this because this is so crazy. My garden, which is not even tilled yet to plant seeds this spring, we had planted beets back in the fall, and just on a whim, we threw a cover over them before it started snowing. And when we pulled off that cover this spring, there were beets growing. And look at these bad boys. I pulled these out of my garden today. So I thought, well, I'm gonna of course roast, the beet bulb itself isn't huge, so I'm gonna roast the beets, but I wanna use the beet greens. And at first I thought, of course I could juice them or saute them with garlic and oil, but I thought, no, let's make them into a green smoothie. So here's the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna be using for this smoothie. I'm gonna chop up these beet greens. I'm gonna add fresh berries. I always add berries to my smoothie because I love that anthocyanin, that dark pigment in the berries, that purple pigment that you get from dark red and blue foods and purple foods. It's called anthocyanin, and it's a really powerful antioxidant, and it's very highly anti-inflammatory. It's also adaptogenic, so this is just like medicine right here, these berries. I'm also including a full banana. I'm gonna use a half an avocado, so we're getting protein from the banana, we're getting healthy fat from this avocado, really good for your skin and complexion. I'm gonna throw in an entire cucumber for hydration and also, again, hydrating for the skin. I've got some romaine lettuce here just to balance out the flavor. And then I'm gonna use the Sakara Life Protein and Greens Super Powder. This stuff is incredible. If you wanna add protein to a smoothie, I'm gonna dump this entire packet in. I love this brand's protein powder. It's a super green protein powder. It's got all kinds of phytonutrients in it. It's got a lot of added protein, so I'll put a link to this below. And then I'm also gonna be adding just oat milk. I'm gonna use oat milk as a base. You could use water as the base, but I want this to be creamy. So it's gonna kind of counterbalance the dark roughness of the greens. So to get started, I'm just gonna chop up my greens. I have already chopped up this romaine. I like to run just the greens and a little bit of liquid in the bottom of the blender before adding in the other ingredients, because I wanna make sure that my dark leafy greens get nice and well blended. So we'll do that first. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of our oat milk into the base of the blender, just enough. And then we'll put the lid on and we'll give this a quick blend. Okay, so I just blended this for about less than 60 seconds on high, and it's just to help chop up. I'm just scraping down the sides with my little rubber spatula. This is just to help make sure that your dark leafy greens get pulverized and are nice and well blended before you start adding in all the other ingredients. I like a nice smooth smoothie. So interesting because it smells like beets. All right, so let's add the other ingredients. Next, I'm gonna just take the pit out of my avocado and add this entire half of an avocado in. It's a great way to add healthy fat to your smoothie if you're making a meal replacement for a smoothie. The avocado is in, we're gonna add an entire banana in. Okay, and now let's add in a cup of berries. Oh, I'm gonna do the whole thing. And then I'm just gonna give my cucumber here a chop so it's nice and easy to blend. And then at the very end, I'm gonna add the rest of my oat milk in. You could add some cinnamon to this if you wanted to. You could sprinkle some chia seeds in there. I mean, this is gonna be an incredible meal replacement. And then last, I'm gonna add in my Sakara Super Greens powder. Oh, and by the way, Sakara is offering an amazing 3 to 4 week program, and you can use my code DebSakara at checkout to get 20% off of your entire order. So check out Sakara's Spring Reset if you're looking to really just like rejuvenate, refresh without skimping on nutrition and without having to cook. It's incredible. Okay, let's blend the smoothie and see how it comes out. I can't wait to try this because it smells amazing. Smoothies are a really good way to incorporate a lot of different fruits and vegetables. In this case, the only added sugar was that one banana and our berries, which are low, very low carb. So you could certainly do a half a banana if you're trying to eat low carb, but I think if you're doing a meal replacement, you want a nice balance, especially if this is a breakfast meal. So let's try our beet green smoothie. I made a lot because I'm gonna refrigerate and maybe even freeze this. Oh wow. I taste the banana. I taste the super greens powder, which is very tasty. I taste the berries and the oat milk. So it does taste a little bit, slightly sweet, but it doesn't taste green at all. This is good. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you try making some green smoothies this spring and start stimulating your metabolism, start building up to, you know, those warmer months and kind of to the time when we're gonna be getting outside more. If you are interested in joining me, I have a 5-week plant-based cooking course and it's called Plant Powered Kitchen. I'd love to have you with me. I teach all kinds of delicious, healthy, nutrient-dense plant-based recipes. There's more information in a link below the video. And also don't forget about Sakara's Reset if you're interested in doing all of that but not having to cook. Okay friends, have a beautiful rest of your day. Enjoy your green smoothie and may you be vibrant.